As we have seen, we can access Microsoft To Do using apps or using web version. For accessing through web, we can go to a browser and open these two URLs. So both of the URLs opens the To Do app, so we can use any of them. First is todo.microsoft.com and the other one is www.office.com. So we'll open an instance of a browser and go to todo.microsoft.com first. We'll use web version for this course. When you click Get Started here, it will open the web version of the Microsoft To Do app. If you want to install Microsoft To Do app for your Android phone, then you have to go to todo.microsoft.com from your Android phone and then click on this button, and it will open the Google Play Store where you can install this app. Then you can install Microsoft To Do on your Windows devices, and you can click on this button from a browser, and then it will allow you to get it from Microsoft Store. And you can install iOS app for Microsoft To Do. Similarly, you have to go to todo.microsoft.com from a browser in your iOS phone and then click on this button, and it will open App Store for you to install this app. So for now, we'll click on Get Started, and it will ask you to sign into your Microsoft account. So if you don't have a Microsoft account already, you can create one. So a Microsoft account is an account that you use to log into your Outlook.com, Hotmail, Skype, or Xbox. So I'll show you how we can create a Microsoft.com. Click on this Create One button just below the text box. And here it will give you a window where you can select Get a New Email Address. So here it will ask you for an email ID. So you can add a new email name here. So I'll select ravi.course. And in the drop down, I'll select outlook.com and click on Next. Here it will ask me to select a password. So you can create a secure password here. And then click on Next. And it asks for the first name and last name. And then click on Next. It asks me for the country and date of birth. So I'll select my country and date of birth. And click on Next. Then it shows up CAPTCHA which we need to enter. I'll enter this CAPTCHA and click on Next. And then finally it opens the To Do app. From next time, you can log into Microsoft To Do using the Outlook.com account you have created now, or using any other Microsoft account. So in this screen, it shows in the left hand side corner, you can import your lists and tasks from Wunderlist. So Wunderlist was a once popular task management app which was acquired by Microsoft and has been replaced with Microsoft To Do app. So if you are coming from Wunderlist, then click on Start here, and then it will ask you for your Wunderlist email ID and password, and then clicking on Sign In will import your Wunderlist tasks and list. So I'll skip this action here. So the other method of accessing Microsoft To Do on web is using office.com. So I'll go to a new tab and open office.com. Here it shows me the option to sign in. I'll click on Sign In now. And it asks me for a Microsoft account. So this account can be the one which we created just now, or we can use a work or a school account as well. So as I have a work account, I'll use the work or a school account here and click on next and give a password and sign in. So this opens the office.com applications page. So these are all the office.com apps which you have from your work or school account. So you have access to Outlook, then you have access to Planner and To-Do as well. So I'll open To-Do. And this is the option for To-Do on the web. So if I click To-Do here, again it opens the To-Do on the web.